Hello everybody, this is Yugandhar. I am the team leader of the team Hellraisers, and the three team members are Venkatesh's, Saravananti and Vidyayas. We have developed the project for the title called Sentiment Analysis of COVID-19 Tweets Visualization Dashboard. In this video, we are going to see three topics, three outputs. The first is output of the project, the second is working of the flow, and the third is app developed for the COVID-19. Before going to these outputs, let me explain what is meant by sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a process of splitting the information into three parts: positive, negative, and neutral. If the sentiment is positive, then the news will be good. If it is negative, then the news is negative. For example, number of active cases, corona active cases in India is 100 means, then the sentiment analysis will be negative. If the number of active corona cases in India is 10 means, then the sentiment analysis will be positive. Based on this, the sentiment analysis works. Let's go into our video. This is the registration form we have created for the COVID-19 sentiment analysis. Here just I am going to give the email ID, and the password and mobile number. I am just going to register. After registering, the login page will be opened. Here we should give the registered email ID. And the password, and I am going to log into the dashboard. This is the dashboard we have created. There are three tabs, namely COVID-19 sentiment analysis tab, 29 states sentiment analysis tab, and the corona chart. First, see the COVID-19 sentiment analysis tab. Here in the first row, there are three blocks or three groups: range sentiment, sentiment value, and the slogans. Here the range sentiment, here the fixed, it gives the basic detail of the sentiment analysis. Here I have taken the range, maximum range 20 and minimum range minus 20. The sentiment analysis is positive if the value exists between 1 to 20, negative -1 to -20, and neutral exactly equal to 0. Here the sentiment value box shows the real-time sentiment values. And I also created the notification which gives the sentiment value for each and every second. This is the slogans box, where it gives the output. It consists of four buttons. Let's see the output of these four buttons.
Stay home, stay safe. 1. Wash your hands frequently. 2. Wear mask when you go outside. 3. Maintain social distance. 4. Meet doctor if you have symptoms like cough and fever. 5. Eat healthy food.
For India, 1075.
These are the outputs of these three buttons. Let's see the corona tracker. Before going to this button corona tracker, let me explain the gauges present here. I have used the four types of gauges. The first one is a normal gauge, second one is a donut type, and the compass and the level. Here the gauges vary according to the sentiment value. I have in the first row of the gauge, the range is from -20 to +20. The second row is from -100 to +100. I have also used the line chart which updates the sentiment value for each and every minute in this column, in this box, or in this group. Here I have fixed the range from -20 to +20. While pointing to this point, it shows the sentiment value and the time in which the sentiment value was got. The next is a tweets tab. Here the tweets will be tweeted or displayed which is related to corona only. These tweets are got from the Twitter with the help of API key. Here the news, I have used the RSS feed to get this news from the RSS feed links. I have got the RSS feed links from CNN in Google from internet. This is the bar chart. Here also I kept the range from -20 to +20. Here the representation will be in the form of bar chart. This is the output of the first tab called COVID-19 sentiment analysis. Let's go to Corona Tracker. The Corona Track, when I click the Corona Tracker, it opens the 29 state sentiment analysis tab. Here I have created a gauge for 29 states in our India and extra 3 gauge for the Union Territories. You can see Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Haryana, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Goa, Kerala, Punjab, Gujarat. You can see all the 29 states here. From this, you can get the data about the sentiment in each and every state. Let's go into another tab called Corona Chart. Here, the data will be shown for each and every hour. Here, this chart is for the entire world, and I have used this chart to display the sentiment analysis for the entire world. This is the entire output of my project title called Sentiment Analysis COVID-19 Visualization Dashboard. This is the flow responsible for the registration form under the login page form. I have used the HTTP node, and the method is git method URL/register. This is for registration, and this is a template node where I have used the HTML code to prepare the registration form. This is the HTTP response. The next is the login page and also get method /login under the template node where I have used the HTML code to get the login page, to create the login page, and the HTTP response node. This is the flow responsible for the login page and the registration page. I have created this flow in a separate account. I used the 2 accounts here. One is mine and the another is my friend's account, my team member's account. The basic input for the entire flow is the Twitter node. The Twitter node works with the help of API key. To get the API key, we should do some process to get the API key from the Twitter. The Twitter, here I have used the tag like #corona, which extracts the corona tweets from the Twitter using the API key. The second node is the sentiment node, which is the main node for this entire sentiment analysis. This sentiment node classify the tweets into 3 parts: positive, negative, and neutral. To get those values, I use the function node. Actually, the output will be always message.payload, and I feeding the message.sentiment.score into the message.payload. Now the output will be message.payload, which will be given to gauge, chart, all the type of gauge. You can see in the video before that the entire dashboard is filled with 6 gauges, chart, that and all the outputs of these nodes. And the notification is due to this notification node, and I have used the here. That means if s greater than 0, positive plus that value; if s is less than 0, negative that value; exactly else, neutral plus that value. This is the responsible for the notification and the sentiment value block. And you can see the 4 buttons. First button is request, which gives the audio output. I given the audio output in the form by using the node called audio out, and the 5 rules button, toll free button. Next, the fixed statements are given with the help of this function of positive, neutral, and the negative nodes, and used the text node here to display that on the dashboard. Next, here the corona tracker button is connected to the UI control, which will push the tab called 29 state sentiment analysis. Next, here I have used the RSS feed and the sentiment node to get the news from the this RSS feed link, and it will be displayed on the text. You can see in the video the text box will be shown there. Let's see, let me show that output. This news group is due to this flow, which uses the RSS and feed, and this compass gauges and notification are gives the output here, which is nothing but this gauges, and the buttons are here, and the notification will be shown here, and the bar chart. Next, if we go into the sentiment analysis for 29 states, this is the place where I have created, I have get the 29 RSS feed links plus 3 Union Territories links from the internet to get the sentiment values. I have used the 29 RSS feed to get the sentiment analysis for 29 states, and also use the sentiment here and the gauge, which you can see here, which is nothing but this is the output for this for this flow. Then the third one is the corona chart. Here you can see the corona chart, where I have used the line chart and used the separate tab called corona chart, and the name is corona chart. Here this node is responsible for that. You can see here this. Now you can see this node is responsible for that corona chart output. Let me explain how the sentiment values will be obtained. For example, here I have given the message.payload. I'm using the debug tab here. You can see the values will be generated 0, 4. These are the sentiment values you can see in the debug node. I have get using the message.payload For getting the messages, that means the direct tweets from the Twitter, I'm going to connect it to the sentiment node. It's showing some bad gateway due to some internet problem. This is the output for this tweets. The app I have created using the MIT app inverter. My app name is COVID-19 app. It consists of 15 buttons which could be very useful for the people. The first button is symptoms of corona. The second button is Ayurvedic medicine. The third button is sentiment analysis website. And the fourth button is 10 rules to follow. And the last button is helpline numbers. Each have the respective output. Let me show the blocks. This is the blocks I have used to build this app. This block is connected, is responsible, is used to give the output to the button 3. When button 3 is clicked, it will call the text to speech converter and gives the 10 rules to follow to fight against the corona. Then the first button, when the first button is clicked, it goes to the second screen and it will display the output. That means the sentiment analysis output from this link. Using this block, using this logic, I connected my sentiment website to the button 2, which could be viewed with the help of a mobile phone. And the fourth button, when the fourth button is clicked, it will go to the screen symptoms. When the button 5 is clicked, it go to the screen called website. This is the blocks I have used to create this corona app. Here you can see the app that I have created for the sentiment analysis, COVID-19 app. I got the logo from the internet. I'm just going into it. This is the 5 buttons I have created. Let's see the symptoms of corona. It gives the answers for the symptoms of corona like fever, tiredness, dry cough, nasal congestion, etc. And the preventive measures also given here. I'm just clicking the home button to return to the home page. Then Ayurvedic medicine. Here you can see the output of the Ayurvedic medicine. It gives some tips like to fight against the corona. I'm going to home page. Then the sentiment analysis website. I already mentioned before in the video the sentiment analysis website output. You can see in the video. Then the 10 rules. You can hear the output of these 10 rules.
One, wash your hands frequently. 2, avoid close contact with persons that display serious respiratory problems. 3, don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth with your hands. 4, cover your mouth and nose if you have to sneeze or cough. 5, don't take any antiviral or antibiotic medicine unless prescribed by a physician. 6, clean surfaces with disinfectants based on chlorine or alcohol. 7, use a mask only if you suspect that you are sick or need to care for a sick person. 8, neither products made in China nor parcels from China are dangerous. 9, call the toll-free numbers 800,462,340 or 1,500 if you have a fever or cough and have returned from China within the last 14 days. 10, pets do not spread the new coronavirus.
Next is the helpline numbers. This is the helpline number for the corona 1075 toll free number. This is the output of my project.